guys, welcome back to my channel. If you look over there, that's my friend. He just got here. We're going to a Rex Orange County concert. That's why we look so like popping. Yeah, and like our outfits are like so like nice. This video is going to be like a get ready with me type thing because I did my makeup for the Rex Orange County concert and it came out really nice. I think so. But yeah, I'm so excited. If you don't know who Rex Orange County is, like exit out of this video, like open another tab, look him up because he's so good and he's so underrated, and we're gonna go see him like in literally a couple hours and I'm so excited because I love him so much. Oh wait, by the way, in the whole video I'm not wearing this shirt. I'm wearing a different shirt because I was waiting for her to give me this shirt. But yeah, anyway, I'm wearing a different shirt. So if you want to see how I did this look, then just keep watching. Okay, bye. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with my face. I don't have a headband. I only have this, so I have to use this to like keep my hair out of my face. So I don't feel like tying it. Anyway, I'm gonna do my face first. I'm gonna use my Dr. Brandt Pores No More Luminizer Primer. Now I'm gonna color correct using my Urban Decay Naked Skin color correctors in green and peach. And the green one I'm gonna put it on my redness, and the peach one under my eyes. You guys already know how to color correct. Okay, for foundation, I'm going to be using my Urban Decay All Nighter foundation. I am almost out of this. Look at that. There's literally nothing left. Now we're going to move on to concealer, and I can't find the concealer that I wanted to use, so I'm just going to use this. This is my concealer collection by Measurable Difference, and I'm just going to put that on my face. And then I'm going to blend that in with my beauty blender. I still haven't cleaned it. I gotta clean it. I'm so excited to go to this concert, guys. You have no idea. I love Rex Orange County. Like, I love him. I like discovered him in the summer. Was it in the summer? Yeah. And I completely fell in love. For powder, I'm going to be using my Bare Minerals powder. And like, where? Like, there's literally no more powder. Like, this is all I have left. I need a new powder ASAP. But yeah, I'm gonna be using that to set my under eye concealer, and just everywhere I put the concealer I just like to like just dig. But yeah, no, I found him on Snapchat. Like, you know those like, oh, BuzzFeed has like a Snapchat, and like Refinery29 and like Brother or whatever. So I found him there because I don't know where I saw him, but it was like, oh, here's a list of artists that are like teenagers and they're underrated or something. So I was like, okay, so I looked at it, and the only one that really stuck out to me was Rex, and I was, because they put like a sneak peek of like a song, so I heard it and I was like, oh my god, this is so beautiful. So instantly I closed Snapchat and I went on YouTube and I looked him up and I fell in love. His music is so nice. You guys should really listen to him. Then we're gonna move on to brows. I'm gonna be using my IT Cosmetics Brow Power Pencil. Is that what you're called? Yes. I'm gonna do my brows off camera because they just take too long, and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back, and no joke, these brows took me like 15 minutes. So now I'm gonna contour my face, and I'm gonna be using my Coastal Scents Blush and Bronzer Duo. I have to hold it like this because if I hold it like that, oh wait, you can see it. Okay, and I'm gonna be taking this shade. I'm also gonna be using this palette on my eyes. I'm just gonna be, you know, contouring my face with this. Okay guys, listen, I don't really have a lot of time, so I can't like dive into like a million palettes, so I'm just gonna be using like whatever I have here. Okay, and it's gonna work because I do it every day. So I'm gonna be taking from my weird Coastal Scents palette. Well, it's not weird, it's just like really intense. I'm gonna be taking this one, the bronzer. Okay, next I'm gonna go in with blush, and I'm gonna use the same blush in the palette. Where's my brush? Here it is. Okay, and then for highlight, I'm going to be taking obviously the highlighting shade here. But first I'm going to spray my face using my Cover FX Illuminating Setting Spray. But first we gotta shake it. And then before it dries, I'm going to be taking the highlight and I'm going to highlight my face with it. For my eye makeup, I know I'm like really up close, but like that's what I want because like I feel like you guys really can't see like what I'm doing. So like here, I'm really like up. I can get as close as I want to, you know. I have no idea what I'm gonna be doing. We're just gonna wing it. But I'm gonna use my Coastal Scents palette, and I'm gonna use this palette that I got on my BoxyCharm because I don't know. I've been really liking it so far. Okay, so I'm gonna be taking this shade right here, the one that's like really beat up and stuff. I'm gonna swirl my brush in there, and I'm gonna put that into my crease. I don't know what I want to do, but I know I want to do like a half cut crease or something. Okay, now I'm going to be taking this color right here and I'm going to put that basically in the same place that I put this, just like a little bit lower. So I'm just going to... And I'm going to put that like on my outer V kind of and like drag it into the crease. Okay, so now I'm gonna go back into my first crease shade and put that on top just to make sure the brown is there. I'm gonna be taking a little bit of black metal and I'm gonna put that like basically in the same place, just a little lower, like on my outer V, drag it out and a little lower. So I'm just gonna take literally this much. Okay, so now I'm gonna do the cut crease. I'm just gonna grab a little bit of concealer and try my best. I don't know. Okay, so here we go. Just like, I'm just gonna do like a half cut crease. So now we're gonna go back into the pink shade and I'm gonna put that like in the middle, like to join those colors together. Actually, no. I'm gonna take this color right here. It's called Pop Rock and it's green, and I'm gonna put that where I put the concealer. Now I'm gonna go back into the pink shade and blend those colors out. And I'm just gonna grab again a little bit of the black and just smoke that out a little more. I'm gonna take the pink shade and I'm gonna put that into my crease again. I'm gonna take some concealer and I'm gonna clean up the line that I had to make it look like a cat eye thing. Okay, I just did a wing like quickly off camera because I'm running out of time. So now I'm gonna move on to my lower lash line and I'm going to be taking the crease colors that we used. So I'm gonna be taking the brown shade and I'm gonna be putting that on my lower lash line. And then I'm gonna be taking the pink shade and I'm gonna be putting that on my lower lash line as well. I'm also gonna be taking a little bit of the green shade and I'm gonna be putting that like on my inner lower lash line, like just like right here. I'm gonna be taking the highlight shade and putting that on my inner corners and brow bone. I'm gonna take some of the black and I'm gonna put it on my lower lash line, like directly on it. And I'm gonna do this off camera because I can't do this on camera. Okay, wait, but like I wanna be cool and I'm gonna add like yellow dots. I don't know, this might be a mistake, but I'm gonna do it. I really don't care. Just like tiny yellow dots. Ready? So right there, and then right there, right there. Okay, I'm gonna put on some mascara. I'm gonna be using the Roller Lash Mascara and I'll be right back. This completes the eyes. I would put on some falsies, but I don't have any. And plus, I don't have time for that and I have a really bad time putting them on. That was my friend. She's coming over right now, so I need to hurry up. For lips, I'm gonna be using... Oh my god, this was nice. For lips, I'm gonna be using the Girlactik Matte Lip Paint in Demure. And that is the finished look. Wait, does it look nice? Oh my god, wait, I'm so proud of myself. What? Okay guys, so that completes this video. This is the finished look. Oh, hold on. This is what the eyes look like. I am honestly so proud of myself. I thought this was gonna come out looking like a mess, but it didn't. Oh my god, this is so pretty. Wait, I really like the yellow that I added. It like adds like a little something something. I don't know. That completes this video. My friend is literally on her way here and we're gonna be going to the concert now. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Follow me on my social media. It'll all be down below. All the products that I use will all be down below as well. Thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!